Silicon Shores faced a digital nightmare as security certificates expired en masse. Websites struggled, transactions froze, and secure communications went dark. Silicon Shores was in shock. A reputational time bomb ticking. Before the crisis, WebSafe IT, who did IT for Silicon Shores, ran on spreadsheets and manual monitoring. Good old routine and modernity. They kept the digital lifeblood flowing, the security certificates. But when the infrastructure imploded, their system proved fragile. Servers still steadily hummed, but it was a false sense of security. Enter Certierge, the certificate manager born from disaster. It is poised to notify of certificate renewals in advance with unmatched accuracy, and also keep the knowledge on how to renew certificates at hand. WebSafe IT was wary. Trusted tool over years of experience. Yet, as they work with it, skepticism turned to trust. With Certierge, IT shifted from firefighting to innovation. No more expiration mishaps. Just smooth, secure transactions. They had more time, finally, more space to breathe and think ahead. Certierge became Silicon Shores' digital sentinel. From the ashes of a tech meltdown, WebSafe IT found a renaissance of reliability with Certierge. From the ashes of a tech meltdown, WebSafe IT found a renaissance of reliability with Certierge, ensuring a secure, trust-filled online community in Silicon Shores once more. Are you in search of a knowledge-based certificate manager? Comment no below and I'll send you some information about it. More on the different classes of certificate managers in the suggested video below. I'll see you there in just a second.